So to make this kind of effects or scene like that, what I need to do is we have to have that mesh. Here we have this one, and first of all we need to take a plane and just make a big and take a box. So basically I start with box because of box is very low poly. So that is why I have always used box and all. So first what I need to do is distribute this box in this geometry, in this plane, right? So how I'm going to do this? Go to this, click on this one. So first of all, what I need to do, go to outliner. So we have this one. So just select the box and then click on this. You can see what will happen when you are going to click on this mesh network kind of thing, and you'll be having two things in here. We can see that mesh 1 and repro mesh is there, right? So this is that the copy kind of thing we have here, and the original cube is now hidden. So this is how it works, that it will make a duplicate copy of it, and it will make a copy of 10 because of, if I go to this one, this is the mesh editor. So just what I can do, I can drag and drop it here, dock it here, right here. Yeah. So now we have this distribution or distribute node right here. So this is a by default kind of thing we have here. And if I select it, and you can see we have 10 numbers of points in here. So that means is that we have 10 boxes. So this repro mesh is going to copy 10 times. So if I increase this, it will increase this count, right? So what I want that distribution type is going to be mesh, right? And once you do that, you can see if I copy the tab to get more room in it, so you can see properly that we have input mesh. So if I don't have that, if it is linear, that option is gone, it's vanished. So if I go to mesh only, then you can see that input mesh kind of thing. So here I need to connect the distribution object kind of thing. So this is a distribution object. So middle mouse, drag and drop it here. So like middle mouse, not like left or right click, middle mouse and drag and drop it here in that exact position, not in that input mesh word. So you can see what will happen. You can see we have that cube is distributed, and we have 15 points, means like 15 copies kind of thing we have here. So if I increase it, it will increase. So if I make it 100, make it 1000, so you can see we have thousands of boxes right here, right? So this is how you can, this is a very basic thing, that how you're going to distribute your this box or any kind of geometry in a plane or in a terrain also. So this is the way you can get that distribution or scattering kind of thing in here. And in the next video, I'll show you that how you're going to, the viewport instance. So this is extremely important for this kind of mesh network kind of thing.